Gear back up a little bit, and if you have to zoom in.
I can't zoom in.
You can. You pinch it and scoot it in. Other way.
Okay. Everybody evacuate. Jess, scoot back.
Queen's in there. She's doing good.
Okay, these are getting a little bit
We got
ready.
lots of them that like her.
Mom, can you imagine how nice your trees and flowers are going to look this year?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna want to keep my bee in there, or my queen in there, but I want to take the cork out.
I'm going to have to, will you hold this because I want to get out of here.
Take the cork out.
Back up if you need to. Come back with me, guys.
Okay, you can take the bottle.
Something just shit on me.
Yep, it did. And you just swore on national television.
Sorry. Good. Stop and redo.
It's actually kind of more of a quick release method because they'll eat through this marshmallow pretty quick. Okay, I'm going to place my queen in between a couple of these things. I've got to keep it so they'll be able to
Jet, scoot back.
be able to take care of her. Okay.
Echo, come here. No. No bite.
Beat the bees down a little bit.
Okay, go back. Can you just leave it open on the ground and they'll fly out?
I'm going to just gently place my hive on her.
Now we only have 9,999. Can you spray him a little bit?
Nope, there. Did I get you?
No, I just wonder if you need to spray him a little bit.
The bastards get everywhere. You guys got to move so I can put my lid down. Okay, so I might have smashed a couple of bees. They'll get over it.
Do they have a way to get in there?
Yeah.
Okay, are we done?
I got to figure out this how to.
Did you put the queen in there?
The queen is in there.
Lost with a